This Align Right Realty property video is presented by George Hahn. All new windows to be installed in this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, Everglades floor plan villa in immaculate condition and move-in ready. The gorgeous kitchen boasts stainless steel, corian countertop with backsplash, closet pantry and breakfast bar. Popular split plan with owner's suite at the back of the home that features a walk-in closet and private bath with double sink vanity and large, tiled walk-in shower. The second bedroom is perfect for overnight guests, with the second bath located conveniently near it. Screened-in lanai offers a nice place to relax with your friends. Located in the maintenance-free Webb Community, Southshore Falls. This gated community has a spectacular clubhouse with an abundance of amenities: 3 community pools, hot tub, fitness center, internet cafe, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis courts and putting green. Very active community with lots of activities and clubs. Centrally located between Tampa, St. Pete, Bradenton and Sarasota, 30 to 45 minutes, west/easy access to I-75. Close to airports, cruise lines, beaches and hospitals. Call for your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact George Hahn at 813-833-4130.